Welcome back to Ride X. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 BMW X1, a compact luxury SUV that's perfect for city driving and beyond. With its sleek design, advanced features, and impressive performance, this vehicle is sure to impress. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. The exterior of the 2025 X1 is a head-turner, with the black color giving it a sleek and sophisticated look. The design is both modern and athletic, with features like LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a distinctive rear spoiler. The X1's exterior is sure to make a statement on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both luxurious and technologically advanced. The X1 features premium leather-trimmed seats, an 8.8-inch touchscreen, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable and immersive driving experience. With features like a premium audio system, the 2025 X1 is powered by a range of engines, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 241 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. The vehicle features an 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, delivering precise handling and control. The X1 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. The 2025 BMW X1 starts at around $38,000, with top-of-the-line trims reaching up to $45,000. Key features include 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, advanced all-wheel drive system, 18-inch alloy wheels, 8.8-inch touchscreen with navigation, premium leather-trimmed seats, advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control. The X1's performance is nothing short of impressive, with rapid acceleration and precise handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the X1 delivers a driving experience that's both smooth and refined. The X1 also features a range of advanced technology features, including a heads-up display, gesture control, and a driving assistance package with features like lane departure warning and blind spot detection. That's it for today's review of the 2025 BMW X1. This compact luxury SUV is a true gem with a perfect blend of style, technology, and performance. Thanks for watching Ride X, and we'll catch you in the next one.